Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Sandy if you happen to be new, and it is Christmas making time. I hope everyone had a good Halloween. I will probably still be doing some fall projects intermingled with my Christmas ones just because I love fall so much. But today I was really in the mood to play around with these Taperlogy rub-ons and also with these Taperlogy tags. So I've been playing around with all these different sheets and cutting out ones that I thought would look nice on these tags. And let me show you what I have so far. So I'm working on these little ones first. There we go. So just give you a shot of these little ones. And the tags, each little tag, as you can see, is different, have different designs on them. And so I cut out these different rub-ons to put on here. And I'm also got a little bit of my washi tape out, just playing around to see if I want to add some washi tape. And then I also have some of these thinner washi tapes as well that I am going to use, and then I'll poke a little hole in the top. And then I also have the bigger size tags that I am working on. So I am going to work on getting these all rubbed on here. And I'll show you in case you didn't see my other video. So these rub-on sheets are from Taperlogy, and I have a 15% off code, Kentucky Krafter, all one word, and you can get 15% off, which is a really good deal. And these rub-ons, you just cut out whichever image you want, and you peel the back off of it, and you just throw that away. And then you place your image down on your, you can either do it on paper or fabric. They're really versatile. I've done them on both, and I thought it would be fun to put these on these tags here. And then you just, it comes with this little popsicle stick, and so you just rub, and that gets the image to release from the carrier sheet. Get his little arms and fingers. And then you can give it a little test. Peel back a little piece of it. And you'll hear it kind of release. Perfect. And I just love the finish on it. I mean, it's a nice matte finish. It's not super shiny. And look how cute that tag looks now. Just poke a hole, add a little twine on there. But you can do other things as well. So I'm going to rub all these down. That sounded funny. I'm going to put all these onto the tags. And then I'll be back and do a little more decorating with you on these, as well as the bigger ones up here. Let me show you the different images. It's so nice how they go on. I really like them a lot. And I've added washi tape to some of them. And I might go back and add a little bit more. I haven't decided. I might maybe do a little stamp or something like that. I think these are just really cute. And they're quick. The snowman's so cute. And the penguin. And then these two. Those are the small ones. And then here's the larger ones. Little snowman. Yeah, this set comes with several snowmen, several Santas. It's a good variety. Gingerbread. Little woodland scene. And the sweet angel. Cute little present. And a cute little Rudolph. And then this pretty little house. Reminds me of Frozen. And then next I'm going to punch some holes and then put some twine on them. I've added some twine onto these tags here. And then I also have these fun charms. There's a whole bunch of them. There's Christmas trees and gingerbread, Noel, stockings, snowmen, mittens, all kinds. And so I thought it might be fun to add them to the ribbon on the tag. And that way there's a fun little charm on there. And I got some jump rings, and you just open up the jump ring by pulling one side of it away from you, like that. You don't want to pull them apart, you just twist it, and then take your charm and slide it on there. And you'll want to think about the direction. So I'm putting it on so it'll go this way. And then put it around the string. And then just close it back up. And then you can just tighten the string back up. And that's sweet. I think that's really cute. It's fun. You can just keep going and going on adding decorations to these. Or, I mean, they're just perfectly fine like this. I think that is darling. If you want to ink up the edges, you could ink up the edges. I might do a little stenciling on a couple of these. That might be kind of fun to do. I have this Tim Holtz stamp here. So I thought I might try just putting a couple little stars on here. Oh, I like that. Cute. Let's see if there's any others I want to put stars on. Maybe this one. Right back here. Nice. Cute. Oh, this one I could put a couple stars. Nice. I also pulled out some of my Christmas stamps. I have these little bitty ones with the images on them, and I have these little ornaments, And then I also have this Tim Holtz stamp that has a bunch of little stamps on them. Parcel post, stamp here, airmail, letter parcel. So those could be cute to stamp on here. This might be cute. Let's see. Alright, this says 25 via North Pole. I don't want to put it upside down. Let's see. I put that like right there. What color? I think I'll try candied apple. Oh, that's cute. Right. Well, I'm going to wrap up here. I just wanted to show you some different ways that you could decorate these tags up from Taperlogy. You could use the rub-ons, you could use washi tape, some stamping, some stenciling. You could also add some charms onto the top of them. So lots of different ways to use these tags. And remember to use my discount code, Kentucky Krafter, for 15% off. All right, I'll see y'all on the next video, and I'm just gonna kind of keep playing here. Make sure to check out my Instagram for some finished pictures of these. Bye.